Hi, I'm Kristen,
And I'm Kim.
and we're going to be talking to you about how to work with a monopolizer in a group setting. So, to demonstrate this, we'll be using the cognitive behavioral approach to therapy. Now, what exactly is a monopolizer? Well, a monopolizer is a person who just simply tends to dominate a group conversation, tends to talk over others, and not let others be heard. In the group that we'll be showing you guys, this will be an addictions therapy group, and the meeting that you'll be seeing will be their second group meeting. So this group is still in their beginning stages, but they're starting to branch out and speak a little bit more. But you'll notice from the video that one individual in the group is talking a lot more than everyone else, is really dominating the flow of the conversation, speaking over other people, and really limiting other group members' participation. To demonstrate how to effectively deal with a monopolizer, we'll be using, as I said, the cognitive behavioral approach to therapy, but we'll also be using the ABC model of cognitive behavioral therapy. And Kim will talk a little bit more about the ABC model and some specific things for you to watch for as you watch our video.
So with the ABC model, there is an action, there's a behavior or thought about that action, and then there's a consequence of it. And with our group, there's an action that happens, and the group has these negative behaviors or thoughts about this action that happens, and then they have a negative consequence with the group. And so what we try to do in this group is we try to change this behavior and thoughts of this action that happens. That way the group can have a better outcome and a more positive experience in this group. So as you're watching the video, just keep a lookout for our ABC model that we present to the group. Also, keep a lookout for how we approach the monopolizer in the group. Some approaches that you might want to look for that we try to do in our group is we want to try and sit by the monopolizer. That way we can see all of the nonverbals of each member in the group and try and catch how they're feeling and thinking just by looking at their nonverbals. Another thing is don't try to minimize the monopolizer in the group, their input. We want them to recognize that we hear that they're there, we hear what they're saying, but we also want to hear other people speaking in the group. Another way to do that is bring it back to the group. Say, hey, what's going on? What do you think about this? Pose several questions to the group. And the last thing is we try and catch it early. This is the second session. And so the earlier that you can catch this monopolizer in the group, the better the outcome of the group, the more the group will get. And so these are some techniques that I hope that you look for in this video. And thanks for watching.